NSO Class 5 Level 2. Now, what are the important topic? Under human body, reflex arc becomes a very important topic. You touch something hot and you immediately repel your hand, and this process is what is the reflex arc. So how the stimuli goes to the spinal cord and the response is generated through which you remove your hand. Similarly, the various systems. So far in the previous classes, you have been talking predominantly over the organs and the organ system in a broader context, but here now with class 5 the questions come on skeletal system, respiratory system, the types of bone, movable joints, immovable joints, then circulatory system, deficiency diseases, those can be case based. Marasmus as one such example is commonly being asked, so very important. Then in the case of plant life, there are questions focusing on seed dormancy, germination, what are the best conditions for the growth of seed, the various ways through which the seed dispersal actually take place, the wing-like appendages for certain seeds. Then there are certain seeds which have fibrous husk. So those are some of the important concepts. Then the technological development of course become important. So concepts like hydroponics, growing of crops in water, talking about the impact of fertilizer, very important. We'll talk about that in a while. Then there is also the spinal cord, which focuses on the action, the reflex action that we said. The purpose of cerebrum, cerebellum. So cerebrum talks about thinking, and what talks about balance is a question for you. Mention that in the comment below. Now another important set of topic is matter material. So solid, liquid and gaseous phases, the water cycle, conservation of water cycle, the natural disasters, earthquakes, volcanoes, simple machines, what are the pulleys, the classes of levers, energy transformation from chemical energy to electrical energy, from heat energy to mechanical energy, and so on and so forth, which would be a best way to explain each of these examples. Lunar phases, eclipses, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, umbra, penumbra, some of the very important terms. And then the characteristics of various planets. Most of the questions from the section on achiever section are basically diagram based, grid based, case based, so practice those well. Now latent heat is a very important concept. What would happen, let's say steam burns steam at 100 degree and water at 100 degree. If you get burned by a steam by steam of 100 degree Celsius and water of 100 degree Celsius, which burn would be more? So the answer would be steam. Why? Because of the latent heat. Similarly, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, the NPK fertilizers as they are called as, which are important for the plants. So nitrogen is basically for the growth of leaves, phosphorus is for energy, the root and the bloom boosters, potassium is actually protecting the plant against diseases and provides sufficient quantity for growth. Now one very good question could be, purple leaves turn out because of what? So the purple leaves are actually because of the deficiency of phosphorus in the plant. So similar kind of concepts become important and highly asked in your NSO level 2 examination. Note, for level 2 class 5 the questions are significantly difficult as compared to class 3 and 4. So if you had appeared for 3 and 4 level 2 and you are now appearing for class 5, be well prepared, cover basic concepts of class 6. If you don't have ample time right now, you can check the link below for the complete video tutorials of around 10 to 15 hours, and that would cover the sufficient information that you need to have before your examination. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day.